After a long time of continuous working experience in information technology through which I dealt with the various banking and business programming challenges, I thought it's about time to transfer knowledge in such cases to younger people who are eager to learn, so that they can start from what I have finished. I therefore decided to start the journey and arrange courses to achieve that goal and document my skills as well. I found it perfect to start with Python and planning to continue with a number of courses in cost minimization, business systems analysis, business intelligence, and of course applications development to deliver some important skills that companies often looking for. Currently, I'm working as a senior programmer at Enhanced Engineering and Multi-Technologies. I'm also certified system analyst from the National Computing Center of United Kingdom and Fujitsu certified system analyst as well. I worked before for Xerox, Midbank, Mr. America International Bank, and Ames, almost 20 years in applications development. Let's go back to our course structure. By the end of this course, you will not only become an expert in Python and its use in open banking, but also you will be able to learn any programming language with these in just a few days. This is the truth behind the first skill you come out of that course, algorithms. You will become familiar with flowcharts and able to create the logic of any computer program to code it yourself, or even just leave it for other programmers to code. Second, Python. Python is an easy-to-read and platform-independent language that can be executed across different platforms including smartphone devices, computers, and ATM machines. Open banking is the third skill the course focuses on, in which you will be able to connect to the European Central Bank from your Python code and use data from there instantly. Finally, you will learn using sample core banking module that I created particularly for this course, including update balance, check available balance, and show transaction features to bring the banking environment to you in order to use it in coding complete ATM logic. There is no doubt that preparing value-added tax report for thousands of sales orders in the last lecture of this course will make a better sense of business instead of standalone technical concepts. And this is the main goal of the course. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you an interesting course and better career advancement.